Chemistry, Class 8, Chapter 4 Atomic Structure, Part 3 Rutherford's gold foil experiment and discovery of neutrons. Explained by Zainab Bahari.
Hello dear students, welcome to class 8 chemistry. Today we are going to study a very much interesting experiment and a very milestone discovery, that is discovery of nucleus of an atom. Dear friends, in 1911 Lord Rutherford, the scientist of New Zealand, was working on the project of the study of protons, and in order to this he made a set of experiment which is well known as Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. And in this experiment he got a surprising result. What he was not predicted, all the things he came to know about, and he discovered about the nucleus of atom, and this gave the new turn to the structure of atom in the world of science. Let us observe Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment, and we will also draw observations, and from that observations we will conclude. So here we go. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment or gold foil experiment. In this experiment, a radioactive source emitting alpha particles, that is positively charged radiation, is enclosed in a protective lead container. The radiation were focused through the narrow slit placed in the lead container. The thin sheet of the gold foil was placed in front of the radiation. A circular screen was coated with zinc sulfide to render its fluorescence, was placed in front of the gold foil. When the alpha particles bombarded through the gold foil, they passed straight through the gold foil, indicating that most of the atom is large empty space, while some alpha particles were deflected slightly, suggesting that they interacted with other positively charged particles in the atom. Other alpha particles bombarded were bounced back toward the source, indicating the presence of strong positively charged particles in the center of an atom. Rutherford presented the experimental results to describe the structure of an atom. He stated that an atom is made of central dense positive charge surrounded by orbiting electrons. He did not use the term nucleus. Later on, in the coming time, it was named as nucleus. Observations of Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. Most of the alpha particles passed straight through the foil without any deflection from their path. A small fraction of them were deflected from their original path by small angles. Only a few particles bounced back. Conclusion of Rutherford's experiment. Most of space in atom was empty because of alpha particles went straight. There was a heavy positively charged mass in the atom which caused deflection of small fraction of alpha particles. The positively charged mass is very small and centrally located because only few particles bounce back. Later, it was named as nucleus of an atom. Do you understand, students, how the structure of atom taken shape in the world of science with the help of new discoveries, with experiments? Here, this is not the end. In the next coming time, James Chadwick continued the experiment which was based on cathode ray tube experiment with much more modification, and he come to conclusion that in the nucleus of atom not only the positively charged particle but some more particles are present which are giving the mass to atom. Let us see and discuss Chadwick's work and discovery of neutrons, which are neutral in charge and situated in the nucleus of an atom. Chadwick's discovery of neutrons. In 1932, Sir James Chadwick proved presence of neutral particles in the nucleus of an atom. He named these particles as neutrons. 1935, he received Nobel Prize for this discovery. Chadwick used neutron chamber in which neutrons can be produced. He used ionization chamber which could detect protons. Vacuum was created in the neutron chamber. The source of radioactive element polonium was then placed in the chamber. He placed beryllium plate just in front of the polonium. The decay of polonium produced alpha particles, which were identical to helium nuclei. The first emitted alpha particles hit the beryllium plate and reduced both neutron and carbon atom. Let us look a mechanism of production of neutron. A beryllium nucleus contains 4 protons and 5 neutrons. On the other hand, alpha particles contain 2 protons and 2 neutrons. When these 2 nuclei collide, the 2 protons and 2 neutrons from alpha particle collides with the beryllium nucleus, resulting in production of 6 protons and 6 neutrons. This new nucleus is nothing but the carbon. The remaining neutrons will be emitted from the carbon atom. In Chadwick's experiment, beyond the beryllium plate, paraffin bag was placed. Released neutrons hit the wax and wax released protons. These protons were checked in the ionization chamber. This way, neutrons were discovered. Let us see the properties of neutrons. Properties of neutrons. The mass of neutron is slightly more than that of the proton. Neutrons are electrically neutral in nature, that they do not have any charge. Atoms of same element may differ in the number of neutrons, leading to the formation of isotopes. I hope this experiment increased your knowledge about the structure of atom. Dear friends, near about 200 particles are predicted to be in the atom.
It is time for homework now. Write down answers of these questions.